Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on Innovate with Karan, I'm going to be showing you a free Google software that you can use to control your laptop from any part of the world. You can be anywhere and you will be able to control the laptop that is kept in an internet provided area. So here is the software. Okay, to start the software, you just have to go to your browser and go to this website called remotedesktop.google.com and click on turn on. It'll ask you for your name, you can write whatever and click next, and it'll ask you for the password. So 6-letter password you have to put in. Now I have put that in and clicked on enter. Now it is starting. It will start in some time. Okay, it is finally saying it is online. Now I'll just download the software onto my phone. Okay, so if you are on your Android phone, just go to your Play Store and install Chrome Remote Desktop. Once installation is complete, open it up. Now, you just have to connect to the mail ID your computer is connected to, and the software is connected now. Okay, so now I just have to get my laptop out of sleep. And connect to the software. Now it will ask me for a password. Y6, that is my password for now. Now it's gonna connect and it is connected. Now you can just move around using this. Like you don't need to do anything. So now there are many more options. You can just move the mouse like this, however you want, or you can do this. Well, now if you don't want a mouse, like mouse is very nice, but what if you don't want a mouse and you want it to be like a completely touchscreen device? So what you can do is just swipe down a little bit over here and tap over here. Now it has become a completely touch screen, so wherever you touch it will click on that. Now let's double click and it has opened up. This is such a nice feature. Okay, so now let me open up Microsoft Edge by double tapping on it. Now Microsoft Edge is open. Okay, so now let me head over to YouTube and I need to type something over here, but there is no keypad. So how do you activate a keypad? Well, you can tap here again and press this. Now the keypad is open. Now let me search for my channel. Innovate with, oh, it's already there, with Karan, and my channel is here. Yeah. Now I'll remove the keypad by pressing this down arrow and it becomes much easier to navigate. Let me go to my channel. Now over here it's easy to scroll this way, but you can't scroll down. You can just scroll right and left. You can't go up or down. For that you'll have to do this. You need to use 2 fingers to scroll. This software, I'm actually loving it. Now I'll just turn on the mouse again. Now this is the mouse. Now let me close this. Now it's all closed. Okay, so now I will disconnect my Wi-Fi and only my mobile data is on. So now let's see whether I can connect. I've clicked on it. It should connect anytime soon. It takes some time to connect because it's on data. So yes, it's finally connected. Now I can move around with this. Let's try clicking. And it has opened. If you forgot to take your laptop with you to any part of the world, you can still access it. You just have to tell somebody to turn it on, and then you'll have proper access to this laptop. Thanks a lot for watching and liking my video. It just gives me too much of pleasure. Now if you want a video where you can convert your voice into your keyboard and your mouse, well, you can click on the link over here. This will show you how to do it. Anyway, just subscribe to my channel as well if you want more videos like this. Anyway, thanks again people. Bye.